Hello everyone, I'm going to be working through the word problems that I left for homework today. So the first one I'm going to do is number 3 because I know that we didn't do this one in class. So I'm going to start with number 3. And once again, this is 6.1, 6.2 word problems. So number 1, they said first of all you're going to use the law of signs. So this helps you at least look forward to what you're going to be using. And in this problem, they're talking about, if I remember right, let me see, number 3. Talking about a small lake and a child who swam from point A to point B. So first, they said the child swam to point B at a bearing of north 28 degrees east. So if we have this line right here that represents north and 28 degrees east of that line, let's say we go this way. So this is going to be 28 degrees. And then from point B, it says that the child swam to point C at a bearing of north 58 degrees west. So once again, if we draw a line just to show where north is, this is going to be going this way. And this would be 58 degrees east. I'm sorry, west. And here, it says point C is 800 meters due north of point A. So point C is going to be here, 800 meters due north of point A, which is here. This is point B. And now here we have our drawing. Now, from here we can see that we have parallel lines, this one and this one. So this 58 degrees is alternate interior to this one. So this one's also going to be 58 degrees. And then from the interior sum theorem of a triangle, we can figure that this angle left over is going to be 94 degrees. All right, so your job is going to be to find this side right here, which is lowercase c, and this side, which we're going to say is lowercase a. So you can think of this as lowercase b. So for this one, we want to set up law of sines. So we can use sine of 94 degrees over 800 meters equals sine of 28 degrees over side, let's say, A. So once you find A, then you have that side of the triangle. So you're going to be finding A. For the other side, letter C, we can set up another proportion. So this one I'm going to set it up as 800 meters over sine of 94. Notice that I just used the reciprocal of this one here. It's okay if we do that. And this one's going to be C over sine of 58 degrees. And once you solve for C, you should get 945.6 meters. And over here, once you solve for A, you should get 376.5 meters. So together, you add the three sides, and the total distance swam is going to be 2,122, about 2,122 meters. So that's going to be the total distance swam. So that's number 3. Now let's move on to number 7, because I know that we did 4. Actually, not number 7. Let me move on to number 5. So now number 5, you had, I know we started this one in class, This one they said you're going to use the law of cosines. So you have a softball, diamond here. You have the mound. You have the bases. Okay, and then they gave you this distance right here. They said it's 43 feet. They said each of the distances between the plates is 60 feet. And they want you to figure out this distance right here. So that distance is what we want to figure out. And then they said that this distance and the distance from the mound to third base, or I'm sorry, second base is not the same. So we can't use any of this information to help us. But right here we can use the fact that the angle made between the sides of this diamond is 90 degrees, and this one bisects